how would you show that you were from future if you were transported 200 year into the past with no clothing or anything else? Oh, this is really good question. Okay, so basically is this thing. Okay, मान लेते हैं कि आप पास्ट में चले गए, 200 साल पुराने पीछे चले गए. ओके, without any even clothes and nothing really at all, you just went there naked. Okay, so how would you supposed to prove to them, like the people from the past, that you are from the future? How would you supposed to prove them? First of all is that if I try this thing, I won't be able to do that. Why? Because of that most of people says that this is actually from it's actually depend on scenario, situation, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay, so let's just assume that if I went 200 year back in London. Okay, 200 year means like 1824. Okay, so right now 2024, 200 year is the 1824. So if I went back 1824 at London, so I just have to guess what is actually the London looks like at 1824. Let me Google it. London at 1824. I'm actually looking at some sort of images. So at the 1824, it's a kind of like a something really birth of industrial revolution. Yeah, it's a birth. Okay, just people are trying to understand what exactly is this thing, and they are trying to innovate things. Okay, so if I am actually from the future, so how do I supposed to prove them that I am actually from future? um well, first of all is that I am being naked, so I just have to figure out that how do I supposed to find clothes and how do I supposed to eat something. Let me tell you one thing. This is the 1828, and probably this is the time where having food, like basically the importance and the priority thing for human life is really difficult to get. यानी कपड़े, खाना वगैरह मिलना भी बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हुआ करता था. But still, I am actually from the future, so I do know how do I supposed to do this thing. यानी चोरी करना. Yeah, like chori karna, like if you do chori, might be some people found that, and definitely at 1824 people will try to steal some sort of thing. So yeah, this is actually a kind of like a thing. Okay, so basically I'm talking about 1824. Okay, तो वहाँ पे हर कोई इंसान ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 10 में से 8 इंसान तो चोरी करके खाना चोरी करके खाते थे. ओके, क्योंकि उस वक्त खाना काफ़ी एक्सपेंसिव था, एंड मोस्टली probably at that time rule was really difficult at that time. Okay, तो जो ऐसे छोटे यानी बेसिकली नॉर्मल पीपल डोंट रियली केयर दैट मच, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई गवर्नमेंट एस्टेब्लिश वो कर थी नहीं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लंडन एट 1824. सो प्रॉबली आई वुड से दैट आई वुड माइट स्टील सम सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड, यानी खाने का बंदोबस्त. बट द क्वेश्चन इज दैट हाउ डू आई सपोज टू प्रूव देम आई एम एक्चुअली फ्रॉम द फ्यूचर? वेल, first of all is that I have what kind of like a something really knowledge that I would say that I'm actually from the future. Well, I do know little bit some sort of physics, not really that much, but yeah. In 1824, um, Isaac Newton was actually from 17 or 16th century maybe. Okay, so he actually invented some sort of gravity. Okay, so I might um, I might actually the people who is actually from scientist. Okay, I should supposed to be approach some sort of people who is actually a scientist. Okay, and I say that I am actually from the future, and I might know some sort of thing. Okay, like about a little bit of black hole, little bit of Einstein theory, Einstein. Yeah, I just do know. Okay, like not really that much, but yeah, like might be you stuck at something, I might try to help you. Okay, because I'm actually from 200 year after. Okay, yeah. And how do I know? Because like I do little bit of study about astrophysics, and I do know little bit about that and things like that. So I'm actually kind of like a something really say that ki, I'm actually from the future. As also is that this is also one thing. If the scientists started believing me, I will not I will like still they will think that yeah, I'm actually just a kind of like a just a person who is actually goofing around. Okay, not really that much, because at that time might be most of people are trying to assume lots of things कि black hole कुछ इस तरह से होता होगा वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. How much I am kind of like something very different from others? Not really that much. Okay. Then I would say that ki, like basically the scientist of the London has some sort of connection to the higher people. Okay, so I am actually connecting to those people that ki, like can I able to meet some of the people who is actually run the country वगैरह वगैरह, run the country वगैरह वगैरह, and say that कि I'm actually from this, and I would say that कि yeah. But still, okay, let me tell you one thing, that कि I might not prove them that much easily. Okay, because of that कि I didn't really have that much knowledge. Like I do have little bit of knowledge about maths, physics, little bit of chemistry, not really that much. I really hate chemistry. Okay, मुझे ये chemistry का पता नहीं. um how do I supposed to prove them? I'm actually from like a scenario, yeah, like I would say that ki, in next 100 year means like the World War I will happen, and in the World War I, the Prince of Austria will kind of like a something hit by the some other another country, and then it started the World War I. But still it will take another century, so some people might not, yeah. um how do I? Well, probably I'm not. Yeah. Like just an example is that ki if I am kind of like a something like having a good knowledge of some certain thing, then I might say that ki I could prove them. But it's just like that. Na I if I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah. Basically, it's this thing ki, um if I have opportunity to go back in time 200 year, I would kind of like a something really explore that era कि लोग किस तरह से रहते थे, लोग क्या करते थे. If this is actually one way ticket or whatever it is, I don't know. But if this is the one way ticket, then might be I will kind of like a something really started living into that country. Okay, into that era. I could kind of like, I'm not trying to believe some of the people that ki, yeah, I am actually from 200 year future वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. Well, I would started talking this, but still some people might found that वगैरह वगैरह. Like I would say that ki in the future we have smartphone and we could have do this do that वगैरह वगैरह. We have internet. Okay, and its internet is really good. Okay, yeah, also is that I am actually 1824 na, so probably I knew some of the scientists like uh, Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla. Yes, I would try to meet those people. Yeah, it's a kind of like a something very good opportunity so that I could meet those people. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Let me tell you one thing. Wait. London at sorry. Um, as scientists. Okay, so there are some sort of scientists at 1824. Might I know about those people? Shayad. Okay. So William, wait. Okay, Peter Kostler. I didn't really knew it. Then he is actually chirographer and geographer. No, Gustav Kirchhoff. Gustav Kirchhoff, physicist. I don't really know. William Hofmeister. No. William Thomas. No. Lord Kelvin, physicist. No. Michael Faraday, yeah. Michael Faraday, yeah. I definitely want to meet him, Michael Faraday. Then I'm actually looking for Nikola Tesla, or kind of like a something like Thomas Edison, or Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison. Well, those are actually from US probably. No, it's not US. Yeah, whatever. Like basically, it's this thing. If I have a chance to meet those people, I would. It's a kind of like a something really, really good. Like I've actually inspired from a lot of things. Just an example is that if I met Thomas Edison, if I met Nikola Tesla, dude, yeah, Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla are from the same age. Actually, is this thing Nikola Tesla is actually working for Thomas Edison for electric bulb and things like that. Okay, so if I could chance to meet those people, dude, oh my god. Okay, like basically, just example is Thomas. It's example of the Nikola Tesla, dude. He has like a really amazing state of mind. Like basically, he invented internet on that particular century. Internet, yeah. Basically, he decided he kind of like a something like transmit some sort of information from one place to another place, kind of like a something like without any wire or without anything, just through electric connection. And it's a really good, it's a kind of like a something really, most of people say it's the beginning of the internet, but practically it's not. Okay, because internet is actually meant for the data signal, it's not electrical signal. But still, this is kind of like a something really very new. But yeah, dude, I would learn a lot of things from Nikola Tesla, dude. It's just like his dedication, the way that he works, the way that he understands the equipments and things like that. It's just like epic. Okay, Thomas Edison still really amazing character. I would definitely love to meet those people. It's a epic, definitely epic. If I didn't really have any kind of like a something one way ticket, I would definitely spend my entire life with those people. Like, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I just like I will not prove them, but I will show them that how is exactly the future would be like. Okay, and electric cars and things like that. Might I have some sort of like just an idea from the future, so that I could tell them this is actually there is some sort of guy named Elon Musk would kind of like a something like name after a car of you, and this and that. If I have chance to meet the Nikola Tesla, uh, then probably I also say him kind of like a something that the internet on like basically in 2024 we have kind of like a something internet, so that we could transport signal with kind of like a something a digital signal, this and that a computer, dude. Yeah, like basically I just say them like not practically, but he would kind of like something understand that what exactly I wanted to say, and he could probably might be 70-80% would understand. Epic journey, dude, epic journey. If I have a kind of like a something, I don't want to prove them, no, I definitely don't want to prove them. Because if I want to prove them, definitely they will not, they will definitely not. चलो मान लेते हैं ना, अगर कोई इंसान, जस्ट एग्जांपल इज दैट कि अभी कोई इंसान तुम्हारे सामने आता है एंड ही वुड से दैट कि आई एम एक्चुअली फ्रॉम ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 200 लाइक 2224, यानी 2224, यानी 200 साल फ्यूचर से आया है. वुड यू एबल टू काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग कन्विंस दैट कि दिस एक्चुअली फ्रॉम गाय फ्रॉम, आई वुड से जस्ट fuck up dude. Like basically मैं तो कोई सुनता भी नहीं. हाँ, he would say that कि नहीं, उस ज़माने में we have this, we have that, we are actually, our car is actually flying in the air and this that. Just fuck off dude. Yeah, I don't really care about that. So this is exactly what would happen if I went back in time. So yeah, if I didn't really kind of like convince the people who is actually from future at this moment, why would I supposed to convince, or why would I supposed to expect some people might convince that they would kind of like something like convince me from the future. It's a really fucked up thing, but not. I don't want to prove them, but if I have a kind of like something like have a chance to go back in time, it's a I really just a one way ticket. If I didn't really went back, I don't really care at all. Yeah, मैं पूरी लाइफ वहाँ पे गुजार दूंगा, but I just have to find out those people. At least Nikola Tesla, dude. Yeah, like really amazing guy. I just have to work with him. Mahatma Gandhi ji, yeah. B.R. Ambedkar, no, B.R. Ambedkar is actually born at 1896, so probably no. या मैं उस वक्त तो मर जाऊंगा. Okay, because I'm actually teleport at 1824, so yeah. But it's lot of things, dude. Okay, yeah. If I have a kind of like something went back in time ना, तो मैं हिटलर को पैदा होते ही वक्त मार दूंगा. But dude, it's a kind of like a something like the consequences happened, okay, because in the future would be kind of like a create another thing. It's not really good, okay. Do not mess with the present timeline, okay. Just whatever things happen at the past, it meant to be happen and it has to be happen. Yes. All right, so this is it, and thank you.